Hey everybody, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny and welcome back. Today we're in the kitchen, but we're not going to be cooking. I've got to tell you guys about a recipe disaster I had yesterday because I think you'll get a kick out of it. Now I didn't, but you might. So, I love soup. I could eat it every single day of my life as long as I could have a good steak and maybe a sushi restaurant thrown in once a month or so. So I went to Paula Deen's website because I really like her recipes. Now, I've made a couple of them that turned into yuck, but for the most part, they're absolutely delicious. So I go on there and I'm looking around and I keep running into all these, usual run-of-the-mill fall soup recipes. And then I found one that sounded a little different. And it sounded kind of weird too, but it was different. And it was called sweet potato and date soup. Well, I don't eat dates. I've never bought dates. My granny used to make something called a date roll, but I don't even think I ever ate any of it. So I thought, well, this sounds odd, but okay, let's do this. I got all the ingredients together, and I went to making this soup. And it's super, super simple to make. There's only like 5 or 6 ingredients. And I thought, oh my gosh, this smells delicious. I can't wait to eat. Well, yesterday when Poppy got home from work, he got home later than normal, so we ate kind of late, and I was really tired, and I went to bed. I woke up an hour later, y'all, and I was covered from head to toe in hives. My eyes were swollen shut, and I was absolutely miserable. So I go into the bathroom, plundering around, trying to find the stinking Benadryl. And I finally found it, and I popped 2 of them because I thought, man, this is serious. I need a double dose. And I laid there in my bed for another hour, itching like nobody's business. And I finally fell asleep because I think the Benadryl took effect. Because I know I was itching when I fell asleep. But I woke up at the normal time this morning, about 7:30, and the only thing I had left from it was my puffy eyes. Look at my eyes, y'all. They're crazy. Puffy. Anyhow, I was going to make this recipe for y'all if it tasted good. And let me tell you, it was so good. And that's why I'm so heartbroken. Because I really believe I'm allergic to those dates. Everything else in the recipe is normal stuff that I eat all the time. Onions, brown sugar, sweet potatoes, cream. The only thing is dates. So I'm going to post the recipe in the description box below so that y'all can try it if you want to. And I really highly recommend it. Let me show it to you. Now, it doesn't look pretty, but it tastes pretty good. I mean, seriously, I would eat it again and again if I hadn't had that reaction. And honestly, I'm not sure if it was the soup that caused the reaction, but it's the only thing different that I did yesterday, so I can only attribute it to that. And forevermore, I will always think of sweet potato date soup and associate it with hives. So I don't think I'll be eating it again, as good as it was. So y'all have a great day. Enjoy laughing at my disaster, and I'll talk to you again real soon, all right?